Welcome to Boot Camp week 6, Lesson 1. Today's lesson will introduce the ABLE and IBLE suffixes. ABLE means to be able to or capable of, such as in the word acceptable or able to be accepted. Able also means able to, but it gets added to a bound root word. Okay? So we'll see the difference between these two in the examples below. Acceptable behavior at a movie theater does not include talking or texting. You'll notice that we use ABLE in this word because accept can be by itself. Legible handwriting is important. Always form your letters correctly when writing. IBLE is used in the word legible because ledge cannot stand on its own. In that case, it would be leg, and we wouldn't say legable. Okay, it's legible. So again, ABLE and IBLE are used in two different cases, but both mean able to. If we take a look at this word sum matrix, I want you to pause the video in just a second and use your base word adapt and add your word endings. Okay? So don't forget to watch your joins. But when you get to ABLE or IBLE, I want you to think about which one you're going to choose and why. So getting back to it, now that you've paused your video, adapts, adapting, adaptable. Why did you choose ABLE if you chose that? Adapted, adaptedness, adapter. It would be acceptable also to put adaptor, O-R, or adapter, A-R, at the end. Most commonly used in the English language that we use is adapter, ER. Adapters, adaptation, adaptations, adaptational, adaptationally. So again, going back to the word adapt and using ABLE or IBLE, we use ABLE in this case because adapt can stand on its own. If we take a look at our word web, based on the words that we constructed in our word matrix, we will have 6 different types of words. Those include action verbs, nouns being things, nouns being people, nouns being things of a different type, adjectives, and adverbs. Please pause the video right now to populate your word web. Let's take a look at those action verbs. We have adapts, adapting, and adapted. Nouns being things. We have adapter and adapters. Something you might use for some wires or to connect things to your TV, adapters. But those can also be nouns of people, right? So a person, noun, adapter, someone who changes, able to change, and adapters more than one. Other noun things, we have adaptation and adaptations. You might hear that term in science. An adverb, adaptationally, Adjectives, we have adaptable and adaptational. For nouns, things, we also have adaptedness. Excuse me. This concludes Boot Camp Week 6, Lesson 1.